Welcome to English for Real Life Listening and Speaking. I'm David, your guide to mastering English with the coolest, most iconic moments from life. Today we're kicking off with movie quotes. Number 1. Iconic lines. Those unforgettable lines that make you laugh, cry, or cheer. Joining me is film buff and pop culture expert Mia Carter. Welcome, Mia.
Hey David, I'm thrilled to be here. Ready to geek out over movie quotes that everyone knows?
That's the spirit. For our English learners, movie quotes are famous lines from films that stick with us. Mia, why do these quotes matter for learning English?
Movie quotes are like cultural gold. They're short, punchy, and packed with emotion. Think, "May the Force be with you" from Star Wars. They're perfect for practicing pronunciation, tone, and even slang. Plus, they're just fun.
So true. For learners, iconic means something legendary or widely recognized. Let's dive in. What's our first quote?
Let's start with a classic. "I'll be back" from The Terminator, 1984. Arnold Schwarzenegger's deep voice and that confident vibe make it unforgettable. It's used when someone promises to return, often with a dramatic flair.
I'll be back. Love it. Learners, notice the simple structure: subject, future tense, will, and verb. Mia, how can we use this in real life?
Imagine you're leaving a meeting but want to sound cool. "I'll be back." It's short, confident, and works in casual settings. On X, fans meme this quote for everything: someone leaving a chat or even a pizza delivery.
Haha, that's epic. Okay, next quote. What's got the internet buzzing?
"Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get" from Forrest Gump, 1994. Tom Hanks's warm delivery makes it a fan favorite. It means life is unpredictable, like picking a random chocolate.
So good. Learners, gonna is informal for going to. Try saying it. You never know what you're gonna get. Mia, when can we use this?
It's great for talking about surprises. Like, if a friend asks about your new job, say, "Life's like a box of chocolates." It's deep but relatable. X posts in 2025 show people using it for everything: new Netflix shows, even blind dates.
Perfect. Let's do one more. Hit us with a big one, Mia.
"I'm the king of the world" from Titanic, 1997. Leonardo DiCaprio shouts it with pure joy. It's about feeling unstoppable, like you've won at life.
I'm the king of the world. Learners, feel that energy. The present tense I'm plus king shows confidence. Mia, where can we use this?
Use it when you ace a test or land a job. "I'm the king of the world." It's bold and fun. On X, people post this after small wins, like finishing a workout or getting concert tickets.
Love that vibe. Okay, learners, let's practice. Repeat after me. I'll be back. Now try. Life is like a box of chocolates. And finally, I'm the king of the world. Mia, any tips for nailing these?
Focus on emotion. Movies are dramatic, so exaggerate a bit. Watch clips on YouTube to copy the tone, and practice with friends. It's a confidence booster.
Awesome advice. Learners, try these quotes in conversations this week. Tweet us at @EnglishForRealLife with your favorite movie lines. Mia, thanks for bringing the Hollywood magic.
My pleasure, David. Can't wait to quote more next time.
That's a wrap for Movie Quotes number 1. Subscribe, hit that bell, and join us next time for TV show slang number 2. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a star. See you soon.